Hello, welcome back to ANCG Max. Today we are going to see one logical problem. The question is given: solve 2 of x square plus 2 is equal to 5 into root of x cube plus 1. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 700 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here, first of all, given 2 of x square plus 2 is equal to 5 root of x cube plus 1. So this can be written as 2 of x square plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 root of x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. A cube plus b cube formula are using a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here let us take x square plus 1 is equal to y. X square plus 1 is equal to y. Okay, then what will get here? 2 into y plus 1 is equal to 5 root of x plus 1 into y minus x. Now squaring on both sides, here we'll get 4 into y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 25 into minus x square plus y minus 1 into x plus y. So if you multiply both of this, you'll get this product. Now sending all the terms to one side, 25x square minus 25 into y minus 1 into x plus 4y square minus 17y plus 4 equal to 0. Sending all the terms to one side. Now this is a quadratic in x. So before going to find x value, I want to find delta value. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac 625 into y minus 1 whole square minus 4ac 100 into 4y square minus 17y plus 4. So here what will get here? 625 into y square minus 2y plus 1 in minus 400 y square plus 1700 y minus 400. So if you open the bracket, 625 y square minus 1250 y plus 625 minus 400 y square plus 1700 y minus 400. So here if you subtract the values, 225y square plus 500y plus 225 you are getting. If you take 225 common, 225 into y plus 1 whole square, that is the delta value. So here our target is to find x value. X is equal to minus b minus b. So 25 into y minus 1 plus or minus, so root of b square minus 4ac. So if you take the root of this value, you will get 15y plus 1 by 2a. 2a means you are getting 50. So here you will get 25y minus 25 plus or minus 15y plus 15 by 50. So here you will get two values of x. X is equal to 40y minus 10 by 50 or 10y minus 40 by 50. So here x is equal to 4y minus 1 by 5 or y minus 4 by 5, taking 10 common. So here x is equal to 4 into y value is x square plus 1 minus 1 by 5. So if you write it in a expansion form, 5x is equal to 4x square plus 4 minus 1. So you are getting a equation 4x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So here delta value is minus 23. So here x value will be 5 plus or minus I root 23 by 8. Now if you take the second value, x is equal to x square plus 1 minus 4 by 5. So this can be written as x square minus 5x minus 3. So here delta value is 37. So here you'll get x value 5 plus or minus root 37 by 2. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.